Hello, good afternoon, Patricia. How are you? Good afternoon, Patricia.
Sir,
Yes, how are
I'm
you?
fine.
Okay, nice to see you again, Patricia, in the class. Yes, for this afternoon, yeah, you have one participant from Palembang. Her name is Ross. So you join also with Miss Ross, Patricia. Okay, so for today, yeah, especially for this afternoon, we will discuss about this, Patricia. This is the trending news. Yeah, yesterday we had conversation class, but for today, yeah, we have trending news discuss. So we discuss about trending news for today. Okay, Patricia, please read the title, please. You can read the title. Melbourne welcomes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, please.
Melbourne welcomed first international flight in 5 months as COVID curbs easy.
Is, yes, easy.
Easy.
Yeah, okay, is. Okay. So, what is the meaning, Patricia? Do you understand about the purpose of the title? Yes,
Little bit, sir.
little bits. Yes. So, Melbourne. Do you know Melbourne, Patricia?
Yes, I know.
Yes. Yeah.
In Australia.
Yes, correct. Yes, that's correct. Melbourne is the capital city in Australia. Yeah, in the state of Victoria. Ya, di negara bagian Victoria. That's Melbourne. Welcome first international flights. Yeah, welcomes. What is the meaning of welcome, Patricia? What is the meaning? Welcome. Yes. Welcomes is welcome to my place. Yeah. Welcome to my country. Yeah. Menyambut. Menyambut. Welcome. The meaning is menyambut. Yeah. Please welcome. Ya,
Menyambut.
welcome to my house. Ya, selamat datang. Yes, menyambut. Menyambut first international flights. Ya. First international flight. Ya. Penerbangan internasional
Oh,
pertama. Ya, penerbangan internasional pertama. Ya. In 5 months. Ya. Dalam 5 bulan. As COVID curve is. Sebagaimana COVID cups, ya, pengekangan. Cups ini dikekang, dikurung. Ya, is dilonggarkan. Ya, sebagaimana pelonggaran pengekangan COVID. Ya, jadi Melbourne menyambut penerbangan internasional pertama yang dibuka kembali ya, setelah dikekang karena COVID-19 selama 5 bulan. Setelah lockdown selama 5 bulan di Melbourne. Jadi di Melbourne ini terjadi lockdown yang sangat panjang waktu itu ya, diperpanjang terus ya oleh gubernur setempat, gubernur Victoria ya, Melbourne, gubernur negara bagian Victoria. Jadi diperpanjang terus, lockdownnya diperpanjang ya, banyak yang komplain, banyak yang protes. Nah, tapi sekarang sudah dilonggarkan. Ya, this is the Reuters, ya, this is the news from Jakarta Post. Ya, but the first from the Reuters. Ya, tapi pertama kali berita ini di Reuters. Reuters ini kantor berita Yahudi. Ya, tempatnya di Tel Aviv di Israel. Nah, kemudian diambil oleh Jakarta Post Indonesia, diterbitkan ya. Monday, December 7th, yeah, so about yesterday, and this is yesterday, 2020, 8 a.m. Okay. Okay, please read the first paragraph, Patricia. Please read the first paragraph. Australia, second large. Okay.
Australia's second largest city welcomed its first international passenger flight in 5 months on Monday. An arrival that will test the state of Victoria's revamped hotel quarantine system.
Okay, thank you, Patricia. That was good reading. Yeah, thank you. Miss Ross, can you help me, Miss Ross, to translate the first paragraph, to explain actually the first paragraph? Can you help me, Miss Ross? Okay. Please open your speaker, Miss Ross. Yeah, I need to talk to you, Miss Ross. Hello, Miss Ross.
Iya,
Yes, please help us to explain the first paragraph, Miss Ross. Yeah.
Australia second diartiin ya.
Yes, diartikan. Ya,
Australia eh, kota kota kedua terbesar yang menyambut eh, penerbangan
yes.
apa passenger lupa penumpang
Penumpang. Ya,
penerbangan
yes.
dalam 5 bulan pada hari Minggu dan
Senin.
sampai
Monday. This is Monday, not Sunday. Monday. Hari Senin.
Senin
Ya.
maksudnya.
Ya.
Nah,
Hmm.
dan
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss Ross. Saya tanya, so I will ask to Patricia. Patricia, what is the meaning? An arrival. What is the meaning an arrival? Patricia, an arrival. What is the meaning of this? An arrival. Yes.
Tiba.
Yes, tiba. An arrival berarti kedatangan. Ya, arrive tiba, arrival kedatangan. Kalau Patricia pergi ke bandara, ada informasi arrival, berarti kedatangan. Kalau keberangkatan, departures, keberangkatan. Ya, sebuah kedatangan that will test. Ya. What is the meaning, Patricia? That will test. What is the meaning?
Yang akan menguji.
Yes, yang akan dites. Ya, yang akan dites. Ya. Ya, the state Victorias. Ya, negara bagian Victoria. Jadi Melbourne itu adalah ibu kota di negara bagian Victoria di Australia. Revamped, merubah hotel quarantine system. Ya, sistem hotel quarantine, karantina. Yes, karantina sistem hotel. Revamped artinya dirubah. Ya. Oke, jadi Miss Ross tadi bilang, ya, so I will translate this as well, Patricia. So I will talk in English and also in Indonesian. So I will explain in bilinguals. Ya, saya akan menjelaskan dalam 2 bahasa bilinguals. Ya, because you must understand about this. Yes. Oke. Australia second largest city. Ya, city itu artinya kota besar. Dalam bahasa Inggris ada town, ya, town itu kota kecil, kota biasa. Ya, tulisannya TOWN, itu town. Nah, itu kota kecil. Tapi kalau city itu kota besar. Ya, Australia kota terbesar kedua yaitu Melbourne. Melbourne itu adalah kota terbesar di Australia kedua. Ya, yang pertama adalah CBD yaitu Brisbane. Ya, CBD. Nah, disingkat CBD. Capital Brisbane District. Ya, itu kota terbesar di Australia di Queensland, ya, namanya Brisbane. Kemudian kota terbesar di Australia kedua itu adalah Melbourne. Melbourne yang kedua. Jadi pertama adalah Brisbane, yang kedua adalah Melbourne. Ya, Welcome menyambut its first international passenger flights. Ya, penumpang penerbangan internasional pertamanya dalam 5 bulan pada hari Senin. Jadi pada hari Senin kemarin sudah dibuka, ya, penumpang penerbangan internasional disambut. Ya. An arrival, ya, kedatangan, ya, sebuah kedatangan akan dites, ya, di State Victoria dan sistem hotel karantina akan dirubah. Ya, kalau dulu kan ditetapkan sistem hotel karantina bagi yang sampai di Australia harus dikarantina selama 2 minggu, seperti itu. Mungkin sekarang sudah dirubah, ya, dilonggarkan, mungkin hanya beberapa hari saja. Seperti itu di Australia. So I will ask to you, Patricia, how many states in Australia actually, Patricia? How many states in Australia? Berapa banyak negara
I
bagian?
don't know, sir.
Okay, so I will let you know. Ya, saya akan kasih tahu. Ya, I will let you know. Saya akan kasih tahu Anda. Australia has 7 states. Ya, jadi di Australia itu, ini adalah pengetahuan biar tahu. Di Australia itu ada 7 negara bagian. States itu artinya negara bagian. Ya, yang pertama adalah New South Wales, itu ibu kotanya Sydney. Yang kedua Melbourne, ibu kotanya Victoria. Yang ketiga Adelaide, tulisannya Adelaide. Yang bacanya Adelaide. Bukan Adelaide tapi Adelaide. Nah, itu adalah South Australia atau disingkat SA. Ibu kotanya Adelaide. Kemudian Australia Barat itu Western Australia, ibu kotanya Perth. Ya, Perth. Pernah dengar kata itu Patricia? Perth. Pernah dengar? Perth.
Never.
Nanti dilihat di peta benua Australia. Ya, mungkin nanti mau kuliah di sana di Australia. Oke.
Amin.
Oke, kemudian yang kelima, negara bagian yang kelima itu adalah Darwin. Kalau orang Australia bacanya Dawens, orang kita bacanya Darwin. Ya, itu adalah Northern Territory, wilayah utara Australia. Ibu kotanya Darwin. Ya, Northern Territory artinya Australia Utara. Ya, kemudian yang keenam adalah CBD, Queensland. Ya, ibu kotanya Brisbane. Ya, negara bagian yang keenam di Australia adalah Queensland. Ibu kotanya Brisbane. Yang ketujuh apa? Yang ketujuh, ya kalau kita sering melihat motor GP Tasmania, ya sekarang di situ. Tasmania menjadi negara bagian Australia yang ketujuh. Ibu kotanya Hobart. Ya, yang ada sirkuit motor GP itu. Ya, kalau kita sering lihat GP Tasmania, nah itu sekarang menjadi negara bagian Australia. Okay, so something like that, so you know
So,
about this.
sorry,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
So it is region in Australia.
Yes, regions in Australia. Yes, that's correct. Jadi Australia itu satu benua.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, di dalamnya ada 7 negara bagian. Kalau dulu masih 6, sekarang udah 7. Ya, penambahannya terakhir 2017, ditambahin 1 lagi. Australia bikin 1 negara bagian lagi di Tasmania. Ya, makanya waktu itu mudah untuk menjadi warga negara Australia di tahun 2017. Mungkin sampai sekarang masih ada kali. Ya, bagi orang kita mau ke Australia bisa tinggal di Tasmania dulu 1 tahun, nanti bisa menjadi warga negara Australia. Nah, setelah jadi warga negara Australia bisa pindah ke negara lain di Australia, mungkin di Sydney atau di Melbourne seperti itu. Dipermudah karena butuh banyak penduduk di Tasmania. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so this is already reopened after lockdown for 5 months in Melbourne, Australia. Yeah, you can see this picture, Patricia. Yeah, passengers are reunited with loved ones after arriving on the first flight from Melbourne at the Brisbane domestic airports following the easing of COVID-19 border restriction in Brisbane, Australia, December 1st, 2020. Nah, artinya apa nih Patricia? What is the meaning of this? Passenger are reunited. Yeah, what is the meaning? Yeah. Passenger are reunited. What is the meaning, Patricia? Yeah, you can open your speaker, please.
Penumpang bertemu kembali dengan
Reuni. Ya, reuni itu bertemu kembali. Ya, dengan yang dicintainya ya, yang dicintainya. Ya, maksudnya dengan sanak keluarganya gitu kan? Iya.
Iya.
Setelah arriving ya, sampai ya dalam on the first flight, penerbangan pertama ya dari Melbourne ke Brisbane ya kan, di bandara Brisbane kan ini ya, domestic airports ya, bandara domestik ya, following mengikuti kelonggaran lockdown COVID-19. Easing itu dilonggarkan Lockdown-nya dibuka gitu, dibuka kembali, pelonggaran. Ya, dan restriction, border restriction. Border itu perbatasan, restriction pembatasan. Jadi pembatasan perbatasan di Brisbane. Nah, di Brisbane waktu itu masih ada border restriction. Restriction itu apa? Peraturan yang diperketat. Dalam bahasa Indonesia itu pembatasan. Jadi ada larangan-larangan. Oh, nggak boleh mengunjungi Brisbane karena lagi COVID-19. Nah, setiap mengunjungi ke sana harus ada surat izin, ya seperti inilah, diperketat. Nah, sekarang udah dilonggarkan, ya. Dilonggarkan, jadi bisa datang ke Brisbane. Tadi udah sekian bulan nih baru ketemu keluarganya lagi, ya kan? Contohnya dia orang Brisbane, akhirnya pas lagi di Melbourne nggak boleh pulang ke Brisbane karena ada COVID-19. Jadi diperketat di sana. Ini selama 5 bulan lebih dia nggak ketemu keluarganya. Maka ini ketemu nih seru, apa namanya, reuni ya, sampai nangis-nangis mungkin ya. Senang kembali ketemu keluarganya. Yeah. Okay, something like that. Okay, Patricia, can you please introduce yourself to Miss Ross from Palembang? Please introduce yourself, Patricia. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Rose. I'm Patricia, and I'm from Gorontalo City. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Patricia.
May I
nice to
know
meet
you?
too. Yes, my name is Rose. I'm from Palembang. Nice to meet you too. Are you a student?
Of course, I'm student in University State of Gorontalo. And how about you?
Okay. I think I have completed my study. Now I'm searching for job.
Miss Ross already completes her study. Ya, sudah selesai. Ya, already complete her study. And now she is searching for job. What is the meaning searching for job, Patricia? Searching for job. Yes.
In Indonesia, mencari kerja.
Yes, that's correct. Is that correct, Miss Ross?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay, nice to know you, Patricia. And what time is it in Gorontalo? What time? Yes.
13, what is 5?
Okay. 15:53. 15:53. Yes, 15:53. Ya, 15:53. Is that correct? 15.
Yes.
15:53.
Sir,
Ya, 15:53. 15. Ya, not 50. Ya, 50 is 50 and 15 15. Okay, later on we also learn about numbers, Patricia. So you will really understand about numbers as well. Yeah, we will learn everything in this class. Okay. Okay, so Miss Ross, please read the second paragraph, Miss Ross. So we little bit discuss for about few minutes. Yes. Okay, please. Yeah. Hello, Miss Ross. Open your speaker, please.
Okay.
Read the second
Australia have since March closed its borders to non-citizens, but airports serving Melbourne, Victoria's capital, stopped accepting any arrivals in late June after an outbreak of COVID-19 that began at 2 hotels where arrivals were quarantining.
Okay. Do you understand about the second paragraph, Miss Ross? What's the meaning, the second paragraph? Do you understand? Okay.
Australia sejak Maret menutup perbatasannya borders, perbatasan untuk non citizen.
Ya, untuk selain warga
Tetapi
negara.
bandara.
Untuk
Ya,
selain warga
tetapi
negara. Yes. Oke, continue. Tetapi, yes.
Ya, tapi bandara melayani Melbourne, ibu kota Victoria.
Yes, excellent. Oke, stop. Ya, tetapi bandara-bandara yang melayani Melbourne, Victoria, capital, ibu kota Victoria. Yes, excellent, Miss Ross. Thank you. Stopped accepting, ya, dihentikan menerima any arrivals, suatu kedatangan in late June, selambatnya bulan Juni, after an outbreak of COVID-19. Setelah, what is the meaning, Patricia? After an outbreak of COVID-19. Ya, setelah outbreak COVID-19. Outbreak artinya peledakan. Ya, outbreak artinya peledakan. Ya, jadi sebuah wabah ini meledak. Ya, meledak itu artinya menyebar. Ya, COVID-19. Ya, tiap hari korbannya terus meningkat, yaitu namanya outbreak. Ya, dalam bahasa Inggris namanya outbreak. That began, yang mulai, ya, at 2 hotels, ya, pada 2 hotels, were arrival were quarantining, ya, di mana kedatangan telah di karantina. Ya, jadi selambatnya bulan Juni setelah terjadi outbreak COVID-19 di Melbourne, ya, mulai dilakukan karantina hotel, ya, di Melbourne. Oke. Garis besarnya, ya, saya summary. So I will summary for the purpose of the second paragraph, Patricia. So you must understand about this. So I will speak in bilinguals. Ya. Australia has since March closed. Jadi semenjak bulan Maret, ya, Australia telah ditutup its borders, ya, perbatasannya to non-citizens. What is the meaning citizen, Patricia? What is the meaning of citizens?
Warga.
Warga negara.
Oh, bukan.
Ya, citizens artinya warga. Yes, excellent. Warga negara. Ya, warga siapa? Warga negara. Yes. Selain warga negara yang non-citizen, selain warga negara, tetapi bandara-bandara masih melayani rute ke Melbourne, ibu kota Victoria. Ya, kemudian dihentikan menerima kedatangan pada bulan Juni, ya. Setelah bulan Juni, kedatangan dari negara lain, ya, di Melbourne sudah ditutup, atau kedatangan dari bandara-bandara lain sudah ditutup. Artinya Melbourne dilakukan lockdown. Artinya bandara ke Melbourne sudah ditutup waktu itu semenjak bulan Juni, ya. Ya, semenjak terjadinya outbreak COVID-19 yang dimulai, ya. Dan pada hotel-hotel dilakukan karantina di Melbourne. Bulan Juni sekarang sudah Desember, jadi sudah masuk 5 bulan. Karena Juninya itu masuk Juni akhir waktu itu. Nah, sekarang sudah bulan Desember, jadi sudah 5 bulan, Patricia, dilakukan lockdown di Melbourne. Jadi yang waktu itu sedang berada di Melbourne nggak bisa pulang, nggak bisa balik lagi ke kota-kota lain di Australia. Jadi dilakukan curbs di situ, pengekangan. Okay, so from this we already got the point. So we can conclude about this. Okay, Patricia, can you make conclusions from this trending news, Patricia? What's the conclusions of this trending news? Yes. Apa kesimpulannya, Patricia, dari trending news ini?
Di blog biru itu agak diam terus.
I can share.
Or Miss Ross, dengarkan Miss Ross dulu. You can listen from Miss Ross explained, yeah, so you will
Okay, let's
understand.
conclude together.
Okay, what is the conclusion, kesimpulan, Miss Ross, of this news? Okay. Oh, okay.
Australia
Okay, Miss Ross, I will give you the clue. I will speak actually in English, then you will translate my conclusions in Indonesian. Is that right, Miss Ross? Yeah, then after
Okay.
that, Patricia can make conclusion in English. Yeah, okay.
Huh?
Okay, a little bit in English, Patricia. You can imitate what I am saying. Apa yang saya ucapkan. Ya. Okay. You can imitate, ya, bisa menirukan. Okay, this is. So after 5 months of lockdowns in Melbourne, yeah. So on Monday yesterday, Melbourne already opened the lockdowns. Melbourne's already opened the lockdowns. Yeah. So Melbourne will come for the first international flights. Welcome for the first international flights after 5 months lockdown in Melbourne. Okay, so the citizens, yeah, the Australian citizen, were they already cups in Melbourne, yeah, cups like this, dikekang, dikurung, yeah, cups in Melbourne, yeah, they can gather with their family again. Ya, mereka bisa gather. What is the meaning of gather, Patricia? Gather. What is the meaning? Gather, gathering. What is the meaning? Gather. Gather, gathering.
Berkumpul.
Yes,
Berkumpul.
excellent. Berkumpul.
Eh,
Ya, yes, excellent. Berkumpul dengan their family again after 5 months. So you can see this picture. Yeah, they are really happy, and some of them also, yeah, really have the heavy musings, rindu, ya. Rindu yang mendalam. And some of them also, yeah, like crying like that, ya, seperti menangis, ya, crying, ya, because after 5 months they, yeah, could not find their family, and they could not gather with their family, something like that. So that was the point. Okay, Miss Ross, what is the meaning in Indonesian, Miss Ross? Okay, so what is the meaning what I said in Indonesian? That's not mas perfectly, not mas 100%, but what did you catch? Ya, apa yang Anda tangkap? What did you catch, Miss Ross? Okay.
Setelah 5 bulan,
Setelah 5 bulan,
ya berarti itu.
Australia lockdown, ya kan?
Ya,
Sorry,
mereka
Melbourne.
akhirnya
Melbourne atau Australia tadi?
ya
Melbourne.
Melbourne.
Yes, okay.
Akhirnya mereka berkumpul
Yes.
bersama keluarga mereka di bandara.
Ya, di Bandara Internasional di Brisbane.
Bandara internasional.
Ya. Ya. Akhirnya mereka bisa berkumpul kembali dengan keluarganya, ya kan? Tadi saya bilang gitu ya.
Iya.
Ya, setelah
Iya,
5
benar.
bulan dilakukan lockdown di Melbourne, sehingga mereka yang sedang berkunjung ke Melbourne waktu itu tidak bisa pulang ke kota-kota lainnya di Australia. Mereka dikekang, ya kan, Miss Ross? Dikekang di Melbourne.
Iya, benar.
Atau dikurung, ya. Cups ini artinya kurungan, dikekang. Ya, nggak boleh keluar intinya. Ya, selama 5 bulan di Melbourne. Dan setelah 5 bulan di Melbourne, ya, mereka bisa berkumpul kembali dengan keluarganya. Yes, that's correct. So, do you understand, Miss Ross, about the purpose what I said? Do you understand?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, actually you got it, but you difficult to explain again in Indonesian.
Yeah.
But in English you already got
Because
it.
I'm not focused. I'm not focused because I got a call from my sister and then I got a message from my friend.
Yeah, you are busy.
So I'm not.
Yeah, Patricia, actually Miss Ross is English teacher as well. Yeah, so Miss Ross knows about English very well. Okay. And how about you, Patricia? Can you make conclusion in your opinion in English, please? Yeah. You can say your opinion, Patricia. Little bit in English.
I
Yeah.
will try, sir.
Okay, please.
Uh, After 5 months, after
Hello.
lockdown, 5 months, Melbourne, uh, uh, Melbourne,
Reopening, Melbourne reopening, or Melbourne's,
Melbourne
yeah,
opening the
international
first international flight.
flights. Yes, okay, yeah. So, yeah, the citizens. So the Australian citizen, you can imitate. So the Australian citizen, were they in Melbourne? Yeah, were they in
So the Australian
citizens? The Australian citizen. Yes. Yes, so the Australian
Australian
citizens,
citizen
yes, were they in Melbourne at that time? Were they in Melbourne
Mm-mm.
at that time? They
Because like,
can, yes, they can gather with their family. Ya, okay, Patricia, please imitate Patricia. Just imitating, hanya menirukan. Okay, please. So you will understand about this later on. Ya, nanti, ya later on you will really understand. Okay. So, Patricia, so the Australian
so
citizens, yes,
the Australian citizen
yes, were they in Melbourne? Were they in Melbourne at that time?
board
Were, were, were itu telah, tulisannya WERE, were. Were they in Melbourne at
board
that time? Yeah, were they in Melbourne?
burden in Melbourne at the time.
Yes, they can gather with their family again. They can gather,
They can gather with the family again.
yes, with their family again.
Their
Mhm. Family, yes, family again. Okay, excellent. Yeah, so that was the conclusion, Patricia. Yes, okay, excellent. Yes, so that was the conclusions. Itu tadi adalah kesimpulannya. Okay, yes, thank you, Patricia. So I think this learning is enough. Yeah, so I will see you again by tomorrow afternoon, yeah, at 2 p.m. And tomorrow we will learn about this, Patricia, about grammars, yeah, and also, sorry, this is writing comprehensions, pemahaman menulis. Yeah, so I will teach you about numbers, ya, tentang angka-angka, ya, about numbers, then sorry, about tenses, ya, something like that. Okay, Patricia, do you have email? Do you have email, Patricia? Do you have email?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can send me your email. So I will share to you about this. Yeah, this is um, about Google document. Yeah, so if I share to you about this, yeah, we can learning by this Google document. You can also writing, yeah, at the same time, and I also able to edit, yeah, or delete if you have something mistakes, yeah, in that, sorry, in that writings, yeah, something like that. So I will share to you, yeah, if you send me your email. Okay,
Is it?
Patricia, yes, you can find
Yes.
me in English group. Yeah, you can find me in English group. I'm is the admin of the group. Yeah, the first admin of the group in English speaking group, English speaking clubs. Yeah, so you can find me, then send me message, yeah, about the emails. You can send me
Yes, sir.
on WhatsApp. Okay.
Uh,
Yes.
what is your name in
My name
group?
is Bukhari Mustafa, and you can see my picture. Actually, the WhatsApp profile picture. Yeah, it was in front of the Opera House iconic building in Sydney, Australia. You can find me. That's picture.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Wait,
yes. Did you find me?
semoga nggak salah orang.
Okay, that's yes, that's I am. Yeah, if you see the person who in front of the Sydney Opera House building, yeah, that's me. Yeah, okay, okay. So I will see you again by tomorrow, Patricia. If you want to learn more about English, yeah, you can see on our YouTube as well. Yeah, so you can learn more about English. Yeah, you can see in sorry Helena English, yeah, Helena English channel. Yeah. Okay, you already sent me message. Okay, thank you, Patricia. Okay, okay, I will see that message. Okay, thank you,
Oh,
Patricia.
sir.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, this is your
thank you,
number, right,
sir.
Patricia? Uh,
Yes, sir.
yes, 91. That's the end of the number is
Yes,
91.
that's me.
Okay, okay, so yes, I will share to you about the Google Documents. Yeah, and I will contact you later on nanti. So thank you for joining the learning this afternoon. See you again by tomorrow. Okay. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Yes.
Waalaikumsalam.